Welcome to the tutorial, Activating Briefing Package with Pre-Flight Archive, configured for Lido mBriefing 3.6.3. In this release, Lido mBriefing can be configured upon your airline request, to generate a pre-flight archive in the background, whenever the briefing package for a flight is activated. To initiate the generation of the pre-flight archive for a specific flight, you need to activate the briefing package by accepting the flight. To accept the flight, select the Accept Flight button via either the main menu or the dashboard. Depending on the configuration used by your airline and the biometrics access feature available on the device, either a popover prompting you that Touch ID or Face ID is required, or the acceptance signature popover allowing you to enter your signature will appear. For signature entry, please select the Save button to save your signature. Once the flight is accepted, you will be informed by a popover, which will disappear automatically thereafter. The Accept Flight button will change to a Submit Flight button. The status of the briefing package will display confirmed in the dashboard, and the briefing package information bar, indicating the briefing package has been activated. Additionally, other users who have downloaded the same flight on their devices will be informed that the briefing package has been accepted via the notifications panel. With the activation of the briefing package for the flight completed, you can use all functions available for the flight in Lido mBriefing. This concludes the tutorial for activating briefing package with pre-flight archive configured. We wish you successful operations with this new functionality in Lido mBriefing.